Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. This video will be about adding methods. You have already seen methods. Some are special like tender init, and some looks like functions, but always need self as the first argument. This video will show you other things you can do with methods. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create the class with two methods. So let's say class name is budget. We define the constructor or tender init of self, comma, and we will receive the budget. We will accept the budget. So self dot budget is budget. And we will define expense. We will accept the amount. Self dot budget equals to self dot budget and subtract it from amount. And let's print it out using the upstream budget left of self dot budget. And budget equals to budget of 100. So budget 100. So we should define expense. Let's say 23 and 45. Then we will get 77 and 32. So a method can call another method. So let's add another method to the reporting. So we should copy this code and let's define report of self and copy also this line. And we just need to call it the report right here, self.report. In this way, this also works because self.report is being the report definition, the file or definition function is being called right here. So it is the same as like the above, but it is more organized and it will also work just like before. So let's say December budget. Now let's say 500. Budget dot expense. Let's say 50. Let's run it to 450. It also works, like I said. So methods can change the internal state of the instance. To show it, I will just print it out the December budget. So to look it more nicely, I will add some words right here. Parent budget variable 450. So methods can take arguments and keyword argument as well. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. It can have but keywords arguments and other arguments as well. So we can show it by using the same code before. And let's see, add the currency right here. And let's print out the currency. Okay. So we should call the budget class as an object, and I may define it as a variable called me budget dot 20 me budget dot report. Then we will have the $20. So if we put some currency like Myanmar jets, we will get Myanmar jets 20. Okay, yes, that's for today. So I hope you were enjoying the video. So see you next time. Bye bye.